If you want to clean the USB-C port on your Motorola Signature, what you can do is, first of all, we need to turn off your phone. So before you start cleaning the port at the bottom of the phone, it is recommended to shut down the phone, because you should pretty much never clean the device, especially the port, when the device is on. Always power it down before cleaning to avoid short circuits. Besides that, you can use a bunch of different tools that will help you clean the USB-C port that we have here at the bottom of the device. You can use a wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port over here and scrape out lint, dust and debris with light motions. You want to avoid metal items like paper clips or needles, because they can bend pins that we have inside the port, or it can cause shorts. If you have compressed air, then it can be quite great. If you don't have compressed air can, try blowing lightly into the port through a clean straw. You want to avoid using your mouth directly, because it adds moisture, which can of course harm the port, and you might damage the USB-C port, and it might not work properly. You might have issues, for example, with charging the device. Besides that, a soft dry soft dry brush. You can use a dry soft bristle toothbrush, for example, and you can use it to gently brush inside the edges. Also, do not use water or cleaning agents. You want to do this with a dry brush. And adhesive putty might work as well. You can roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty like a poster tag, and you can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust. Make sure no putty residue stays inside. Now, if you are wondering what should you avoid doing, then first of all, as I mentioned already, avoid metal items like metal pins, needles for example, or paper clips, stuff like that, and they always have the risk of scratching or bending pins that you have inside the port. And you don't really want to use liquids like water, cleaning sprays inside the port. You might use isopropyl alcohol, but you don't want to use it inside the port. You can do this outside and around the port, but of course you want to be careful with that. And also, do not insert cotton swabs inside, because they can shed fibers. And also, if anything, just use it outside of the port over here, but avoid using it inside. You definitely don't want to do that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.